Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play John Waite's iconic song, Missing You. We'll start by learning the four fundamental open chords, G major, C major, D major, and E minor. These chords form the backbone of the entire song. Next, we'll tackle a simple, consistent strumming pattern that will keep your rhythm steady. Finally, we'll break down the song's structure, making it easy to follow along from start to finish. Now let's dive into the verse and chorus sections. The verse typically follows a G, C, D, G progression repeated several times. For the chorus, you'll shift to an M, C, G, D sequence which provides that memorable lift. Pay close attention to your transitions between these chord changes. Aim for a smooth, consistent flow, ensuring each chord rings out clearly. A steady tempo is key here. Moving on, the bridge offers a slight variation in the chord progression, often using C, G, D, M, then back to C, G, D. This section builds tension before returning to the chorus. The outro is straightforward, usually fading out on a G major chord or repeating the chorus progression a few times. Experiment with playing softer in the verses and louder in the choruses to add dynamic contrast and emotional impact to your performance. To truly master Missing You, consistent practice is essential. Dedicate about 15 to 20 minutes each day to run through the song. Using a metronome will significantly improve your timing and help you maintain a steady beat. Once you feel comfortable, try playing along with John Waite's original recording. This will help you capture the song's feel and nuances, making your performance more authentic and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.